Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an empties videos. I haven't done this in a while, and honestly my empties has been racking up. I've had quite a few items, and I just realized I kept some empties that are already discontinued by brands. And so yeah, it's been a hot minute since I've done empties videos, but today, if you guys want to know which products are worth keeping, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so here's the empties. I only kept a few. So to get started, I have a beauty blender empty. It's basically a makeup sponge, and it's in this really nice eco-friendly packaging, and the sponge itself is 60% plant-based material, so it's really good. I feel like I'm doing something for the environment, and it acts exactly like the original beauty blender. So I highly recommend this if you are into using beauty blenders. They are a little bit pricier compared to other makeup sponges, but at least we're doing something for the environment when you buy this type. Next empty, guys, I have a full size of the Laneige Cream Skin Toner and Moisturizer. I was kind of hesitant in getting this at first because it's a hydrating toner. When I hear like the words cream, I usually try to stay away from them, but I decided to give it a chance because my face has been super dry lately, and this has been godsend. So I will definitely be repurchasing this one. If you have normal to dry skin, this is a toner for you. Basically, I just pour it on the palm of my hands and then just tap it all over my skin right after I cleanse. This is actually one of Allure's Best in Beauty awards, so that says something, definitely. I still use a moisturizer on top of this. So after I apply the toner, I put on my serums, and then the moisturizer is the last step. It does a good job at balancing my skin, so love it, highly recommend it. Next item is Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy. Want to bring the spa into your home. This is a good one. These are called shower steamers. So usually like I think 6 individually packaged cubes in here, or they're like discs. So they're round, and basically you just put it on the floor of your shower while you take a bath, and the steam and then the essential oils just mix together. It just gives you a luxurious shower. And then depending on the scent, this one I got the orange and ginger, but I have tried other flavors or other scents. The orange is very invigorating, uplifting, and the ginger is energizing. Definitely a nice add-on to your shower routine. This one, I really want to love it. Okay. For the longest time, my all-time favorite dry shampoo has been by Pantene. And for whatever reason, they changed packaging and it's never been the same. I think I used half, but I know it's super old and expired already. So I'm just gonna have to pass. They need to bring back the original Pantene dry shampoo because that one was really the best. It didn't weigh my hair down. It gave me the bounce. This one is just meh, doesn't do anything. Okay, Living Proof, guys. The one that says full conditioner and shampoo. I only kept one because I figured it's just to remind me that the shampoo and conditioner is the best. If you want a very volumized hair, silky smooth, this is the way to go. One of my most favorite shampoos of all time is by Living Proof, and they have other shampoos, but I would have to say this is my favorite, hands down. I bought this several times already. I always have a backup in my rotation, so yes, highly recommend this. Thrive Cosmetics, the Buildable Blur CC Cream. Okay, ever since I've gotten this, they've changed the packaging, they've changed the SPF level. This is a CC cream, which means it's a color corrector, but it also has SPF. So their SPF changed from SPF 30 to SPF 40, so it's even better now. But what I love about this is that it's super hydrating. Like I can already feel the cooling sensation, but you will definitely see that blurring effect on the skin. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. and it has that kind of shine, healthy dewiness, and I love that for my skin nowadays. The only thing is that I can never ever get the right color for myself. So this one is beige golden, and normally it would be perfect for me, but for some reason it is too dark, so I never got to use a lot of it. But I cannot wait to purchase one with the right color this time. So this one has 28 shades, so you can definitely find a shade range. It's almost like a foundation. Most CC creams don't have that big of a shade range unless some specialty brands do, like It Cosmetics. I would say it's kind of like a medium to light coverage. But yeah, I love the feeling on the skin. So perfect for normal to dry skin tones. Okay, I was hesitant in adding this $1 Billion Forever Lash Mascara. This is by $1 Billion Beauty brand, because this is just a random brand that I got from Ipsy, but it's like one of the best mascaras I've ever had. This is waterproof, and the shape even is just, it almost seems like it's an hourglass shape, but it's kind of like the pokey kind, so it's very lengthening. It's an amazing wand, and it just lifts and lengthens my lashes for sure. When I was Googling this same brand, they are now at Target. So I'm so excited because I can finally purchase and repurchase my favorite brand mascara. This is $1 Billion Beauty. I can get it at Target, so it's easily accessible now. I'm surprised that they're not yet at Ulta or Sephora, or maybe they are. I just haven't looked thoroughly, but I found that they are available at Target, so I cannot wait to repurchase this. This is the best, you guys, the best ever. So get yourself one. Next one is by NYX, the NYX HD Photogenic Concealer. And this is my color right here. This has 23 shades. I would say for me, it's about a good medium to full coverage, although they advertise it as full coverage concealer. It has a very lightweight formula, and it's vegan and cruelty free. So highly recommend getting this. I do love this, and on days when I'm kind of low on budget, I love getting affordable concealers. Okay, next one is the face cleanser by First Aid Beauty. As you can tell, it is empty. I've probably had 2 or 3 bottles of these already. It's a really good cleanser, and honestly, I'm very easy when it comes to cleansers. They do pretty much a good job. I do look for the ones that are not scrubby kind of cleansers. This one is kind of foamy. It has a creamy, foamy texture. So I love the feeling that it gives me on my skin. It is fragrance-free, dermatology tested. So all good things, highly recommended. Okay, the next one is Me Time Botanicals, and it's basically the best lip balm ever. It is the most hydrating lip balm I've ever had. It's just expired. Let me see if I still have, like, I almost don't want to, oh my gosh, I still have a lot. Oh, guys. But I think it's expired, and I just need to get a new one. I've had these for a very long time, guys. So I think I'm gonna just have to let it go, but it's the most nourishing lip balm I've ever had. So it's like creamy, but not waxy, if that makes sense. Like, it's not sticky. It just fully absorbs into your lips. It has coconut oil and sunflower seed oils. And the packaging nowadays is biodegradable, so that's amazing. But the only catch here is that you can only buy this on their website. So it's not yet available at common places like Sephora or Ulta. So I just hope they make it there soon. And I wouldn't be surprised if they did, because guys, this is bomb.com. Next one, guys, is the Fenty Beauty. This is a brand by Rihanna Ease Drop Foundation. I've purchased this time and time again. I might have already mentioned it in several of my favorites video, but it's one of the best medium coverage foundation. This is like the perfect everyday foundation. They say it's a tint, but the coverage is there, guys. Most tinted foundations I'm not really into because I feel like I don't get enough coverage from it, but this one is just right. So love this. I'm in the shade 12. So get yourself one of these, guys, with the perfect primer. It just gives you that poreless, just amazing looking skin. And not to mention, every time I wear this foundation, I get compliments. And it has a good shade range, so highly recommend. This one, I'm so sad because I lost it too soon. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Highlighter. It broke, guys, and so that's why I've hit pan. But let's see if the color will show through. But I just love, see that? There's that glow. It just, when the light hits it, it just gives you that perfect glow from within. The color for this is Stunner. So this is in the color Stunner. I will be repurchasing this again for sure. Hopefully Tarte hasn't discontinued this specific highlighter, but the formula is amazing. It's not chunky, it's not glittery, perfect, and the color for my skin tone, this Stunner one, is the best. Last but not least, this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I only have the small bottle, but someday I'm going to buy the big one. If you guys have watched my Tatcha unboxings, the Fukubukuru bag unboxings, I always get one of these Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, so I've just been using it up, but I'm totally out now, and so I am so tempted to buy the big bottle. But this is amazing for dry skin folks. If you are kind of normal to combo, maybe could work a little bit, but mostly dry skin folks, it's just the perfect mist to give you that youthful glow. And I use this under my makeup, actually. I mean, under my foundation. Tatcha, it's pretty expensive brand, but all worth it. The luxuriousness, the packaging is just on point. So love the Tatcha brands. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. Comment down below if you've tried any of these products that I've mentioned before, or if you're wanting to try them. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.